My name is Ryan Wagner and I'm the chef director and founder of CulinaryLab Cooking School. We're a culinary school first and foremost, but something that we love to do is work with our private and corporate clients on events. So we take our team of professional chef instructors, we bring them to homes, to private venues, or to workplaces, and we host classes there for team building. We do experiential dinners, anything to get people engaged around cooking. Whether you have a group that wants to be hands-off, hang out and drink wine, or really get in there and get their hands dirty, we can create an event for you and your clients. For our corporate events and social events, we bring the kitchen to you. We bring all the professional equipment and instruction, supplies and foods needed to pull off your event. We clean up and we're out of the space. What I think is really unique about what we do at Culinary Lab, because we are chef instructors, is that we're used to getting in front of a group of people and engaging them and teaching them things. So what we do at our events, whether it's more educational or more social, is teach our clients about food in some way. Now, whether it's actually having them learn new cooking competencies, or having maybe a team building event where there's competition, or maybe it's just a social event where they get to play with a few different elements and then we cook the rest of the meal, we bring an experience that is unique compared to a normal catered event.